Hi everyone, welcome to another video of mine. So today I'm at Melbourne Airport. Nice sunny day today. So and public holiday today as well. So just here at some planes morning. There's a long queue of planes waiting at the path. So you can see Qantas, Virgin Australia flights in the queue. See here Thai Airways, Virgin, Jetstar, Qantas. You see other airlines down there as well. Hope everyone's having a nice day. It's a plane just landing now. It's a plane from Adelaide, and that is a Qantas Boeing 737. And the flight took 1 hour. Also see 4 Jetstar planes. So I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit. There we go. You can see 4 Jetstar planes also. Looks like it's a busy day today. Departures. But it looks like it is mostly domestic. It's flying out of the Qantas flight here is Qantas Boeing 737 flying off the Gold Coast, and that flight takes approximately 2 hours from here. Melbourne Airport, and I think the flight takes roughly 2.5 hours to 3 hours. I haven't actually been there, but I think it takes around 2.5 hours. Jetstar flight and a Qantas flight also waiting to take off. Surprisingly not come out on flight radar. But anyway, let's see where this one is going to. That is going to Qantas flight is about to depart as well. That is going to Christchurch. And you see that is a Boeing 737-8. There's a plane going to Narita in Tokyo in Japan. There's that plane down there. Qantas. I have taken that plane. I think that flight to Tokyo. Australia flight is going to be taking off soon, and it is a Boeing 737, and that will be going to Perth. The flight to Perth takes approximately 4 hours. So as a quick cut to go to Christchurch, and it's going to Perth across the country. This plane is going to go to Launceston, which is in Tasmania. That is an Embraer E190-AR. That's a Qantas flight going to Launceston in Tasmania. Plane to Launceston will be turning south. The Jetstar flight will be taking off soon. That is going to Brisbane. The Jetstar flight going to Brisbane. The flight takes approximately 2 hours. Get ready for clearance. The plane's moving, the plane's moving area down there. I do see a few cars. Not as many as usual for a weekend. Brisbane flight is about to depart. Flight time took 1 hour and 7 minutes. That's Let's see. Looks like this Virgin Australia flight is going to be departing next, and that is going to Sydney. And that's a Boeing 737, and the flight takes approximately 1 hour from Melbourne. Looks like a lot of flights departing today, more than landing. I think I just came into a busy period. Another Virgin Australia flight is going to be departing shortly, and that is going to the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, and that flight takes approximately 2 hours. Sunshine Coast is near Brisbane, and that is Virgin Australia Boeing 737-8FE. Going to Sunshine Coast. That's going to Auckland, and that is a Boeing 737-838 going to Auckland, and flight takes approximately 3 hours. that they're going to be departing shortly. The flight to Tokyo takes approximately, when I have been on that flight, by that time when I went, it went to Tokyo Haneda. And I think I have done a video on the flight review between here and Japan, but not on this channel, on the other channel. And then it's going to Tokyo Narita. After this flight lands, I'm going to finish the video. So before I do that, so thanks everyone for coming in. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would greatly appreciate it.